How to duplicate videos in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make duplicates. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So here in this project settings, here you can add a new project or open the older ones. Here I'm tapping on one. Now as you can see, I've imported this video. Now in order to have duplicates, first select the video that you want to duplicate. Now here I'm tapping on one, and here you'll be able to see the option called duplicate. Swipe right until you find the option called duplicate. Here it is at the last. Simply tap on it. So as you can see, it has been duplicated and there's a different version or another version of this video too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.